79 series, fitted with a 1VD FTV engine, I think it is. So basically it is a single turbo diesel V8. Now it's a very similar motor to what's in the 200 series. The 200 series has twin turbos instead of a single turbo. Over here is where all the ECU plugs are. The UniChip's basically just going to bolt onto this bolt hole here that's locating the fuel filter currently. There's a bracket that comes for the 3 modules you need to install in this. So we'll just bracket it onto there. There's a little wiring harness here, so we'll basically just wrap that up all nice and neat once it's actually plugged onto the chips themselves, and then yeah, we'll just try and tidy up a couple of bits and pieces in here and run it up. So this thing already has a 3.5 to twin 3-inch exhaust. Now the customer did say that since he put the exhaust on, it was pretty doughy down low. Obviously it's lost quite a lot of back pressure when he's changed the exhaust, but we should be able to get a lot of that back with the UniChip and probably find a lot more. They do rate the power increase on these things pretty well, but yeah, this is the first one we're actually doing, so be curious to see. We did a 200 series a couple of weeks back now, and it produced very good results, so I'd expect to see something similar from this. So I'll finish off the install and then hopefully we'll get it on the dyno and see how it goes. So we'll just do a before and after run to see what the difference is, and yeah, go from there.
Alright, just about to run up this 79 series. Obviously UniChip Q4. This particular one's got a twin 3-inch redback, I think, exhaust. And obviously a Safari Airmax snorkel, so hopefully see some pretty good numbers out of it. These things tend to pick up a crazy amount with a tune, with a UniChip. So we'll do a custom dyno tune on it and see where we get to. And pretty lean AFRs, being a standard map, 115 kilowatts. Because remember, this vehicle's got big exhaust, up pipes, big snorkel, and we've got it pumping a fair bit of air into the intercooler, so this should be good. Look, for an economy tune.
So it's already 10 kilowatt above?
10 kilowatt up. And I haven't touched it. Sorry?
Which particular mode was this one?
This is towing.
Towing? Right.
Always were a dreamer as a child.